How to open a bank account on Chase Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open an account on Chase Bank. So to do that, first of all, open the Chase app on your mobile device. And once you've opened the app, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the option which says open an account. Now once you've done that, you will be provided with the list of all of the different Chase accounts available to you. So simply go through the account types and then choose the one which you'd like to open. So in my case, I'll simply choose the Chase Total Checking account. After that, it'll provide you the details of the account. So simply review the account details, and if you're okay with it, tap on the option continue. Then you'll have to enter your personal information such as your first name, your last name, date of birth, and your social security number. Now once you've done that, tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to verify your identity. So you can either add your driver's license or your state ID. After that, you'll have to answer questions about your credit history. Then you'll have to take a photo of yourself in order to verify that it's actually you who is trying to create an account. Now once you've done that, you'll have to fund your account. So in order to make an initial deposit, you'll have to either transfer money from a Chase account or link an external account from another bank or use a debit card. So you must have any one of these three available to you, and once you've done that, you will have basically opened a Chase Bank account online. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.